Hello guys, Softoni here, and in today's tutorial I will show you a super useful trick here in After Effects, how to link your text color directly to the background. No need to adjust colors manually, it all stays connected. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and as you can see I have already created this final composition and I have already added this background. And if you want to see an animation like this one, just check the link down below in the description so you can also download it. Okay, and now let's also create here color change for this background. Select this background, go here inside the effects and presets, and I will find HLS color balance, this one, and just drag and drop on top of our background, and here I will animate this color balance effect. For the hue, let's set up the first keyframe, and I will go to around 15 seconds or so, and for this first option I will type maybe 3, and now when we hit 0 you can notice that this color is changing and you can see a variety of different colors here inside this final composition. And if you're not satisfied, hit U to show both of the keyframes, go to the last one, and you can also type here lower or higher number, it's up to you, maybe to try 10, and you can see that our color is gonna be changing faster. I will go back to around maybe 5 or so, 5 times, and here it's time to create also our text and to parent it with our background. I will hit Ctrl+T or go hit on this little icon, and this is gonna be random text, color text like so, and I will align it to the center. Alright, if you can't find align option, just go window, you will find align here. Okay, and here for the first effect, go here inside the effects and presets and find color link effect. Drag and drop onto our text, and here let's check this option, stencil original alpha, to see our text like so. And also for the source layer we will choose this background, and of course you will choose your own and find here this BG. In my case this is BG second layer. And also for this source I will change effects and mask because we have already added color balance HLS effect. Okay, and now when we hit 0 you can see that our color text is changing a bit. And here you can play around with a bunch of different options. For example, you can change this to median, brightest, and so many more. And also guys, what I like to do is to go here inside effects and presets and find 4 color gradient effect or ramp effect. It's up to you, just drag and drop above this color link effect. And basically you can play around here with different colors. And for the blending mode, let's try overlay. And now when we hit 0 you can notice that our text color is changing a bit. You can also play around here with a bunch of different options, and let's try maybe brightest, let's hit 0, and as you can see our color text is linked with this cool looking background. You are also free to experiment with every of these options here, just play around here with blending modes and sample, it's up to you. And guys, this is the cool and simple way to parent this color text with this great looking background. Alright guys, that was everything in today's tutorial, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Please consider to subscribe if you haven't already. And also, like always, check out the links down below in the description. Take a look at my channel for even more great tutorials. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye.